Welcome back to Roots and Roots. Today, we're talking about a hidden issue that affects our homes more than we realize: indoor air quality. Did you know that the air inside your home can be more polluted than the air outside? But don't worry, nature has a solution for us. Let's dive in. Many of us think of pollution as something that happens outside, but indoor air can be just as problematic, if not worse. Here's why. 1. Poor ventilation. When windows and doors stay shut, the air inside your home becomes stagnant, trapping pollutants like dust, allergens, and humidity. This can create an environment where fungus and mildew thrive. 2. Chemical emissions. Everyday items like cleaning products, paints, furniture, and even carpets release volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs, into the air. Formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia are some common VOCs that can irritate your lungs and even contribute to long-term health issues. 3. Smoke and cooking fumes. While cooking, you've probably noticed the steam and smoke that can linger after a good meal. Without proper ventilation, cooking fumes and smoke can reduce indoor air quality and introduce fine particles into the air. 4. Dust and pet dander. Dust mites and pet dander are often trapped inside homes, causing issues for those with allergies or asthma. Without regular cleaning and proper air circulation, these tiny particles build up and can affect your respiratory health. So, how can plants help? Indoor plants don't just look good, they also work as natural air purifiers. Here are some ways they can help clean the air in your home. 1. Filtering out toxins. Some plants like the snake plant, peace lily, and English ivy are known to absorb VOCs through their leaves, breaking them down into harmless compounds. They're like nature's air filters. 2. Releasing oxygen. Plants like aloe vera and the spider plant can release oxygen, especially at night. This helps maintain fresh air in your home, making it easier to breathe. 3. Balancing humidity. Plants naturally release moisture through a process called transpiration. Adding plants like Boston ferns can help balance humidity levels, which can be especially helpful during dry seasons. 4. Trapping dust and allergens. Foliage plants like the rubber plant have large leaves that can trap dust particles, preventing them from circulating in the air. If you want to improve the air quality in your home, here are our top 15 plant recommendations. 1. Snake plant. Also called the mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is highly efficient at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. It also releases oxygen at night, making it great for bedrooms. 2. Peace lily. This beautiful plant helps reduce levels of mold spores in the air, as well as common toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. It's especially effective in damp areas like bathrooms. 3. Spider plant. Spider plants are known for their ability to remove carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene from indoor air. They are also easy to grow, making them great for beginners. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only a skin soother but also effective at filtering formaldehyde and benzene. It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives in sunny spaces. 5. Boston fern. Boston ferns are natural humidifiers, ideal for balancing moisture levels in dry homes. They also help to filter out formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. 6. English ivy. This vine is known for its ability to reduce airborne mold and improve air quality, making it a good option for rooms with poor ventilation. 7. Golden pothos. This hardy plant is great for removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Its trailing vines make it perfect for hanging baskets. 8. Rubber plant. Rubber plants are particularly effective at removing formaldehyde from indoor air. Their large, glossy leaves also help in trapping dust and other particles. 9. Dracaena. Dracaena is effective at filtering out a variety of VOCs, including formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and xylene. It comes in various varieties, adding a colorful touch to any space. 10. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm is a great air purifier for removing formaldehyde and benzene. It also helps maintain humidity levels, making it a good choice for homes in dry climates. 11. Areca palm. The areca palm is known for its ability to filter out toluene and xylene. It also acts as a natural humidifier, making it a good option for dry rooms. 12. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are effective in removing various toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. They are easy to care for and thrive in low light conditions. 13. Philodendron. This plant is known for its ability to filter formaldehyde and xylene. It's also a popular choice for its lush, tropical leaves and ability to thrive in low light. 14. Gerbera daisy. While typically known as an outdoor plant, Gerbera daisies can be grown indoors and are excellent for filtering out benzene and trichloroethylene. They also release oxygen at night. 15. Weeping fig. This plant can help reduce levels of formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. It needs some attention and prefers bright, indirect light. These plants not only add beauty to your home but also help create a healthier living environment by removing toxins and improving indoor air quality. Regularly dusting the leaves and keeping the plants healthy will maximize their air purifying benefits. Improving indoor air quality doesn't have to be complicated. By adding just a few plants to your home, you can create a healthier, more refreshing environment for you and your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips on indoor gardening and making your space greener. Let's breathe easy together, right here on Roots and Roots.